Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Klarna at Walmart checkout easy method step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Walmart website or opening the Walmart app on your device. Browse through the products you wish to purchase. Once you have selected your items, proceed to the checkout page. At the checkout page, review your cart for accuracy. When ready, click on the option to proceed to payment. On the payment page, look for the option to select Klarna as your payment method. If you don't see Klarna listed, ensure you have the latest version of the app or check if you're eligible for Klarna. After selecting Klarna, you may be prompted to either log into your Klarna account or create a new one. If you are creating a new account, follow the on-screen instructions to fill in your details. Once logged in, Klarna will provide you with various payment options. Choose the payment plan that best suits your needs, such as paying in full or installments. Review your order one last time, ensuring the items and total amount are correct. Confirm your payment choice with Klarna. Complete the checkout process by following any additional prompts to finalize your order. You will receive a confirmation email from both Walmart and Klarna detailing your purchase. Your order will be processed, and you'll be able to track its status through your Walmart account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.